Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. It is the holiday season. It is a festive time of year. I should have put on like a Christmas hat or something. But today we're talking about Christmas and our Christmas traditions, and just like what you do for the holidays. Right now it is a lovely snowstorm outside. Malachi's home from school today, so I don't get a minute of quiet time, but somehow I am in this particular moment, so I'm taking advantage of it. And so I thought that we could talk about Christmas and the holiday season. I know not everybody celebrates Christmas, of course, but I'm talking about what I celebrate and what I enjoy doing during this particular time of the year in December. So Christmas, we didn't celebrate it much as a child. My family and I are pretty religious, so it wasn't really something we did. It was more like you took part in the season, we opened gifts, we had Christmas dinner. Sometimes we had a tree, sometimes we didn't, but it was mainly just another holiday. But we did have some Christmas things that we did. So once I moved out of my family home and I started my own home, I wanted to have certain traditions that we did each year or certain Christmas activities that we did. But I guess most people would just call them traditions. And so I thought this would be a good video to talk about some of those things and maybe bring you some Christmas cheer. I know that this year I'm not feeling very festive. Neither was I last year either, but last year was for a different reason. It was mainly we were still under construction and we hadn't settled into this house yet. And so it was just different. And this year we're a bit more settled. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of get myself more into the Christmas time. So I wanted to talk about some of the traditions that we do here at home. One of the main things is we love watching Christmas movies. It doesn't matter what kind, as long as it has some sort of Christmas part in it, we'll watch it. That could be a Christmas movie or like an anime that has like a Christmas episode or things like that. So we do enjoy watching anything sort of Christmas. It doesn't have to be like some A-rated movie. It could be Hallmark movies or like just crappy ones. It doesn't matter, as long as it has like some sort of a Christmas spirit element to it, we would definitely watch. So love that. It is very much fun TV. I love baking with my husband. He does baking. I don't do the baking. I like eating the baked goods. There we go. And so he'll do the baking and I'll eat all of the delicious treats because they're nut free and I get to just have whatever. So that's great. I think we're gonna do Christmas cookies or sugar cookies either this weekend or next weekend. I don't know, but we're gonna bake some cookies at some point. But yeah, Christmas goodies. Oh, so good. We decorate the tree. Or we just decorate the house in general. We don't go too crazy with the decorations, but I do have like our tried and true Christmas things that we decorate. We have our stockings in the living room. We have our Christmas tree. We have Christmas ornaments that we purchase each year. That is going to be like Christmas ornaments for Malachi and Minerva when they move on and like live in their own house. So they have their own little collections of ornaments and stuff like that. But I enjoy vintage ornaments. Obviously, I enjoy vintage things. So we try and find some fun, new, interesting Christmas ornaments to get. We do a decorative sort of table that has these little houses and things on them. Oh, the storm is going crazy out there. Yeah, it's cozy when you're inside, but when you're out in that, ooh, no thanks. So, so we have like a little Christmas village and it has like little houses. I'll get one for you and show it to you. Hold on a second. Okay, so we have these. They're fun ceramic houses. They're so cool. And I just love it. It's so cool. So this one has like the barber at the back and then the theater at the front. And you can put lights in them if you want to. If not, it's fine. I think the lights make it light up a little bit more. This one broke this year, so Kyle was fixing it up for me as best as he can. So yeah, but I have a lot of these, like the chapel, the chocolate factory, city hall, like all sorts of stuff. So we have like a whole village, and we set up a little table with them, and it gets bigger every year. So now I have to kind of like split them up into different areas until I get a bigger table. But yeah, that's part of the whole decor, and we keep it mainly downstairs. I don't really bring it up too much upstairs. So it's usually kitchen, dining, living that will have all the Christmas cheer, and we'll put like a wreath on the door and stuff like that. I will venture into lights outside eventually, but that will be for another year. Music. We love having Christmas music playing in the background, especially when we're putting the tree together. Kyle loves Christmas music, so he'll have it in the car, like he has the Christmas station on all the time. So there's that. I don't even know what my favorite Christmas song is. I don't know. I like all of them. There's so many. I can't really choose, but there's like the standard staples, you know, like the Mariah Careys and the Nat King Cole and all. There's just so many to choose from that I can't choose, but they are great songs, and I love them, and they make you so cheerful and cheery. We have an advent calendar. I'll bring that for you too. Hold on. Okay, so this is Malachi's advent calendar. Well, it's the whole family's, but realistically Malachi's the one that really, we set it up for him. And then in each one, this is empty for obvious reasons because he's already eaten it. But they go down, and he has all different types, and they'll have candy canes and chocolates and stuff like that inside. And it's all hand painted. It's very nice. We've had it for several years. It's been, you know, battered and booted and moved around and utilized so many times, but I love it. It's so decorative and beautiful. So we did that for his little Christmas treat that he gets to pick one after school or like after dinner. I don't do the mornings because I don't really think that you should have sweets in the morning. I'm joined by a special someone. She just got up from her nap, and she has her candy cane. So she's festive for the video. I'm almost done anyway. And so for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, so depending on what we're doing, sometimes we always open presents on Christmas Day, but sometimes we'll open a stocking or something like that and go through any like tiny little gifts, you know, just something to kind of tide us over until the next day. Uh-oh, did it break? So we'll do that for Christmas Day. So those are usually the traditions. We always have hot cocoa on Christmas, or at least during the Christmas time or Christmas season. And yeah, that's mainly what we do for Christmas. What are some of your guys' traditions? Do you guys do the whole Santa thing or not? Before, when we were younger, before we had kids and things like that, we would do Secret Santa and or White Elephant as like a game for our friends. Now we mostly just spend Christmas with the family, and we'll do like Thanksgiving and other holidays with others, New Year's and stuff like that. So yeah, tell me about your Christmas traditions and what you guys do. Is it different from mine? Do you have more things? Like, do you even celebrate Christmas? What Christmas, or not Christmas, but like what holiday do you celebrate at this time of year? Kwanzaa, is it Christmaka? If you watch the OC, you know about Christmaka. Yeah, so tell me what it is that you guys celebrate. right now I'm trying to have some more quiet time with myself and just still enjoying getting the house together and enjoying the festivities and whatnot. I've been reading Bleach, and I've also, well, not reading because I've already finished it, but I've been watching the Thousand Year Blood War because I put it off for so long, but I kind of have the time now, so I'm watching it. I've just finished season 1. If you guys want me to do a review on that, I will once I watched all 3 seasons. I don't know if there's going to be a 4th season. I haven't really looked into it, but I have been watching season 1 and it's good. I know there's some controversy on the whole Blood War situation, but it is what it is. I just wanted to watch something fun that isn't a Christmas movie. Yeah. Oh, tell me what your favorite Christmas movie is in the description. In the comment section below. My favorite Christmas movie is anything Hallmark. It's so cheery and festive, and you kind of understand what the plot's going to be, so you could just have it as just like, you know, something relaxing to sit and watch in the background. So that is my favorite currently. Yeah, I don't have a specific favorite. Malachi and I will always watch Home Alone. We always watch Harry Potter. And we always watch Elf. So usually those 3 are sometime on the docket or somewhere on the docket. Yeah. Oh, we also do Elf on the Shelf as well for Malachi because he likes the idea. He has his own little elf. Oh, I have to show you guys. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get Elf. Okay, so he got his elf from his great auntie Heather. And look, so this is his little representative that comes and does little naughty things that he isn't supposed to do. We're not supposed to touch him except for Mama and Pops. The kiddos aren't allowed to touch him or else he loses his magic. So this is Malachi's little elf. Yeah, Minerva doesn't have one yet, but she'll get one eventually. But he's a little cutie. Say hi, elf. He said hi. So yeah, we have fun little things like that. We're always adding to our traditions because, you know, the kids want to try different things or new things. And like as they grow up, they want to do fun activities and stuff like that. So yeah, we'll see. Malachi usually makes a fort. Ooh, what's up? You don't want to talk about Malachi? She doesn't want to talk about Malachi. So yeah, he usually does a fort outside. Look at her face. She's like, no. Well, I think that's the end of the video. Tell me about what you guys do for Christmas or just for the holidays, what you celebrate, what you participate in. Hi. What your traditions are. Do you like candy canes like Minerva does? She's not eating them. It's in plastic. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this holiday season. If you don't have anyone to celebrate with, I totally understand that. Just think about the good things that have happened to you throughout the year. And if it hasn't been as positive, try and find the silver lining in those things. Enjoy this holiday season, guys. And let me know if you want that Bleach recap, because I'll definitely do that for you. And I think I'll put up a video on Christmas as well, just so that anybody who doesn't have any family will be able to watch a video and share in our Christmas joy. Okay, well, have a great day, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Want to say bye? Want to tell them to like, comment, and subscribe? Okay, guys. Bye.